How to find a good computer repair shop. Just like you, quite a few people are searching for a reputable computer repair shop, but most of them never find one that meets their standards. If you own a computer, then the odds are that at one point or another it will need some repairs. Taking the time to locate several different computer repair companies in the area now gives you a chance to check out each one and determine which one offers the best, most reliable, and most professional service. Here are some places that you can look to find a computer repair shop near you, especially if you want your computer fixed fast. 1. Recommendations from trusted sources. Recommendations from trusted sources are the best way to find local companies in any industry because they provide direct information regarding the level of service the person received. Ask your friends, family members, neighbors, and co-workers who they use for their computer repairs. Ask if they receive great customer service from them and if they would recommend them to you. Ask these trusted sources what types of computer problems they have experienced, whether or not the company resolved the issue, and if they were happy with the price they paid for their repairs. Recommendations from people you trust can take a lot of the guesswork out of choosing a reliable and reputable computer repair shop. 2. Traditional advertising. Traditional advertising is another way to find a local computer repair shop, but you won't get the insider's knowledge like you would from your trusted sources. Nevertheless, traditional advertising still allows you to find many local computer repair shops. You just have to do a little extra research before making your decision. Traditional advertising can include ads in local newspapers, the yellow pages, TV and radio, and even signs and billboards. Even the sign of a business in a person's front yard could be considered traditional advertising. 2. Internet searches. Another super easy way to locate a computer repair company in your area is through internet searches. Major search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo make it very easy to find technicians to repair your computer. Try typing something like "your city computer repair," "computer repair, your city," "computer repair technician, your city," "computer repair shop in your city," or "computer repair near me" into a major search engine like Google. The odds are that you will receive a few good and relevant results there.